Your Excellency, the Honorable Dato Sri Anwar Ibrahim, Prime Minister of Malaysia, Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Ministers, distinguished guests, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to this ceremony where we shall witness some shining examples of India-Malaysia bilateral cooperation. These are by way of exchange of memorandums of understanding, presentation of a report followed by press statement by our two leaders. First, we shall witness the exchange of MOU between Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, and the Ministry of Human Resources, Government of Malaysia, on the recruitment, employment and repatriation of workers. This will be exchanged from the Malaysian side by Honorable Mr. Steven Sim Chee Kiong, Minister of Human Resources, Malaysia, and on the Indian side by Dr. S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister. Ministers, please. Thank you, Ministers. We next have the exchange of MOU between the Ministry of Health, Government of Malaysia, and the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, on cooperation in the field of Ayurveda and other traditional systems of medicine. On the Malaysian side, by Honorable Dato Seri Utma Haji Muhammad Haji Hassan, Minister of Foreign Affairs, and on the Indian side by External Affairs Minister. Thank you, Ministers. We next have the exchange of MOU between the Ministry of Digital Government of Malaysia and the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, on cooperation in the field of digital technologies. On the Malaysian side, may we request Honorable Dato Govind Singh Deo, Minister of Digital Malaysia, and from the Indian side, Dr. S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister. We next have the exchange of program on cooperation between the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, and the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture, Government of Malaysia, in the field of culture, art and heritage. On the Malaysian side, may we request Honorable Dato Sri Tiong King Sing, Minister for Tourism, Art and Culture, Malaysia, and from the Indian side, Dr. S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister. Thank you, Ministers. We next have the exchange of MOU between the Ministry of Tourism, Art and Culture, Government of Malaysia, and the Ministry of Tourism, Government of Republic of India, on cooperation in the field of tourism. From the Malaysian side, may we request Honorable Dato Sri Tiong King Sing, Minister of Tourism, Art and Culture, Malaysia, and on the Indian side, Dr. S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister, please. We next have the exchange of MOU between the Ministry of Youth and Sports of Government of Malaysia and the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, on cooperation in youth and sports. From the Malaysian side, Honorable Dato Sri Uttam Haji Muhammad Haji Hassan, Minister for Foreign Affairs, and on the Indian side, Dr. S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister, please. Thank you, Ministers. We now have the exchange of MOU between the Public Service Department, Government of Malaysia, and the Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India, on cooperation in the field of public administration and governance reforms. From the Malaysian side, Honorable Dato Sri Wan Ahmad Dalhan Haji Abdul Aziz, Director General of Public Service of Malaysia, and from the Indian side, Sri Jaideep Majumdar, Secretary East, Ministry of External Affairs. Thank you, Secretaries. We next have the exchange of MOU between the International Financial Center Service Authority and the Lauban Financial Service Authority in relation to mutual cooperation. On the Malaysian side, may we request Honorable Dato Wan Muhammad Fazmi Chewan Othan Fazillan, Chairman of LFSA, and on the Indian side, Shri B.N. Reddy, High Commissioner of India to Malaysia. Thank you, sir. We would now like to invite the co-chairs of the India-Malaysia CEO Forum to present the report of the 9th CEO's Forum to the two governments. May we request Shri Nikhil Miswani, Executive Director, Reliance Industries, Co-Chair, India-Malaysia CEO Forum, and Tan Sri Kuna Sitampalam, President, Malaysia-India Business Council, Co-Chair, India-Malaysia CEO Forum, to kindly join us in front of the dais. And to receive this report on behalf of the two governments, may I request from the Indian side, Dr. S. Jaishankar, Minister of External Affairs, and from the Malaysian side, Honorable Tengku Datuk Seri Uttam Zafrul Tengku Abdul Aziz, Minister of Investment, Trade and Industry of Malaysia. Thank you, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the exchange ceremony. I now request the spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs to conduct the remainder of the proceedings.
Namaskar, good afternoon. Your Excellency Dato Sri Anwar Ibrahim, Prime Minister of Malaysia, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Ministers and members of both delegations, distinguished guests and friends from the media. We will now have the press statements. May I now request Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to give his remarks to the media.
प्रधानमंत्री दातो श्री अनवर इब्राहिम, दोनों डेलीगेशंस के सदस्यगण, मीडिया के हमारे साथी, नमस्कार। प्रधानमंत्री बनने के बाद अनवर इब्राहिम जी का भारत का यह पहला दौरा है। मुझे खुशी है कि मेरे तीसरे कार्यकाल की शुरुआत में ही भारत में आपका स्वागत करने का अवसर मिल रहा है। फ्रेंड्स, भारत और मलेशिया के बीच एनहेंस स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप का 1 दशक पूरा हो रहा है और पिछले 2 सालों में प्रधानमंत्री अनवर इब्राहिम के सहयोग से हमारी पार्टनरशिप में एक नई गति और ऊर्जा आई है। आज हमने आपसी सहयोग के सभी क्षेत्रों पर व्यापक रूप से चर्चा की। हमने देखा कि हमारे द्विपक्षीय व्यापार में निरंतर प्रगति हो रही है। अब हमारा व्यापार रुपये और रिंगिट में भी हो रहा है। गत वर्ष में मलेशिया से भारत में $5 बिलियन के निवेश पर काम हुआ है। आज हमने निर्णय लिया है कि हमारी साझेदारी को कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्ट्रैटेजिक पार्टनरशिप के रूप में एलिवेट किया जाएगा। हमारा मानना है कि आर्थिक सहयोग में अभी और बहुत पोटेंशियल है। द्विपक्षीय व्यापार और निवेश का विस्तार किया जाना चाहिए। नए तकनीकी क्षेत्रों जैसे कि सेमीकंडक्टर, फिनटेक, रक्षा उद्योग, AI और क्वांटम में हमें आपसी सहयोग बढ़ाना चाहिए। हमने भारत और मलेशिया के बीच कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इकोनॉमिक कोऑपरेशन एग्रीमेंट के रिव्यू में गति लाने पर बल दिया है। डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी में सहयोग के लिए डिजिटल काउंसिल की स्थापना करने का और स्टार्टअप अलायंस बनाने का निर्णय लिया है। भारत के यूपीआई और मलेशिया के पे नेट को जोड़ने के लिए भी काम किया जाएगा। आज सीईओ फोरम की मीटिंग से नई संभावनाएं सामने आई हैं। हम दोनों ने रक्षा क्षेत्र में आपसी सहयोग की नई संभावनाओं पर भी बात की है। आतंकवाद और अतिवाद के खिलाफ लड़ाई में भी हम एकमत हैं। फ्रेंड्स, भारत और मलेशिया सदियों से एक दूसरे से जुड़े हैं। मलेशिया में रह रहे लगभग 3 मिलियन भारतीय प्रवासी हमारे बीच एक लिविंग ब्रिज है। भारतीय संगीत, खान पान और फेस्टिवल से लेकर मलेशिया में तोरण गेट तक हमारे लोगों ने इस मित्रता को संजोया है। पिछले वर्ष मलेशिया में हुआ पीआईओ डे एक बहुत सफल और लोकप्रिय कार्यक्रम था। जब हमारे नए संसद भवन में सेंगोल की स्थापना हुई तो उस ऐतिहासिक क्षण का जोश मलेशिया में भी देखा गया। आज वर्कर्स के एम्प्लॉयमेंट संबंधी समझौते से भारत से वर्कर्स की भर्ती के साथ साथ उनके हितों के संरक्षण को भी बढ़ावा मिलेगा। लोगों के आवागमन को सरल बनाने के लिए हमने वीजा प्रोसीडर्स को आसान बनाया है। विद्यार्थियों के लिए स्कॉलरशिप और सरकारी अधिकारियों के प्रशिक्षण पर बल दिया जा रहा है। अब आईटेक स्कॉलरशिप के अंतर्गत मलेशिया के लिए साइबर सुरक्षा और एआई जैसे अत्याधुनिक कोर्स के लिए 100 सीटें विशेष रूप से आवंटित की जाएगी। मलेशिया की यूनिवर्सिटी तुनकू अब्दुल रहमान, उसमें एक आयुर्वेद चेयर स्थापित की जा रही है। इसके अलावा मलया यूनिवर्सिटी में तिरुवल्लुवर चेयर स्थापित करने का निर्णय भी लिया गया है। इन सभी विशेष कदमों पर सहयोग के लिए मैं प्रधानमंत्री अनवर का और उनकी टीम का हृदय से धन्यवाद करता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, आसियान और इंडो पैसिफिक क्षेत्र में मलेशिया भारत का अहम पार्टनर है। भारत आसियान सेंट्रलिटी को प्राथमिकता देता है। हम सहमत हैं कि भारत और आसियान के बीच एफटीए की समीक्षा को समयबद्ध तरीके से पूरा करना चाहिए। 2025 में मलेशिया की सफल आसियान अध्यक्षता के लिए भारत पूरा समर्थन देगा। हम अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कानूनों के अनुरूप फ्रीडम ऑफ नेविगेशन और ओवरफ्लाइट के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है और सभी विवादों के शांतिपूर्वक हल का पक्ष रखते हैं। एक्सेलेंसी, आपकी मित्रता और भारत के साथ संबंधों के प्रति आपकी प्रतिबद्धता के लिए हम आभारी हैं। आपकी इस यात्रा से आने वाले दशक के लिए हमारे संबंधों को एक नई दिशा मिली है। मैं फिर एक बार आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं।
Thank you, sir. May I now request His Excellency Dato Sri Anwar Ibrahim, Prime Minister of Malaysia, to give his remarks to the media.
Perdana Menteri Narendra Modi ji, namaskar, and thank you very much, Excellencies. This is very important a personal visit and also on behalf of the Malaysian government. Because Perdana Menteri Narendra Modi ji is Mary Dosti. Not only is Prime Minister, but is my brother. And as I've said to him personally and to the colleagues, his friendship is sincere, not only when I'm Prime Minister, but when I was just nobody, he was very kind as a true friend. And that, of course, is most meaningful to me and my delegation and to the country. And that makes all our deliberations and discussions rather easy. We have agreed to enhance further and make it a comprehensive strategic partnership. Yes, Malaysia and India, from the days of Jawaharlal Nehru and Tunku Abdul Rahman, has established good relations. But we realize under our generation that this must be further strengthened in a multitude of areas, which covers, as the Prime Minister has rightly put, digital and investments and trade in construction and modern agriculture, education, research, in all fields, including military collaboration in terms of joint operations to safeguard our borders, and we look forward to that further enhanced relations. So may I firstly thank you, Prime Minister, and the Indian government for the splendid hospitality accorded to us and the delegation, and more so to consider Malaysia a great and true friend. And I must give you this assurance that it is reciprocal, and we will reinvigorate this sort of working relations in all fields. We discussed, frankly, in the bilateral meetings and also in the private conversations, without or no holds barred. We discuss as true brothers on all issues, sensitive or likewise, because this is the true meaning of friendship. We have established understanding on a number of issues, and Prime Minister have kindly mentioned some of them. But I have said, as we have said in the meetings, we will extend this. I personally believe, and I've said this to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, that there are so many areas that we need to explore further. And it's unfortunate that in the last many years, this has not been that truly forthcoming. India is an important and great nation with a great history and great culture and civilization. It is in many ways multicultural and multi-religious. And Malaysia, a much smaller country, but very proud of our civilization and cultures, and also multicultural, multiracial, and multi-religious. And therefore we have a lot of commonalities which extend beyond just trade and investments, but also culture and cultural vibrancy, which is important to this country and also to Malaysia. But beyond that, we have initiated a lot of new programs, and we would hope that Indian companies with Malaysian companies collaborate further in all fields, including the new challenging areas like energy transition, digitalization, and also food security. And we did emphasize the need to use both our experience and expertise in the semiconductor area, which we are fortunate to be considered a hub in Southeast Asia, and India, of course, have excelled through your hard work and also your vision for this great country of India. And the rest on the issue of flights, visa, and other areas, as I've said, knowing Modi ji's style of work, he doesn't tolerate long delays, so we have put a time frame of 3 months to get our staff to be in action and report to us the progress, not report on the progress. And therefore, let me again thank you, Prime Minister Modi ji. And although my remarks are small, but please be assured that it covers multifaceted areas from health to education to energy to digital, and we will prove that in a short span of time, Malaysia, India will emerge as two strong brotherly nations. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. With this, we conclude the press statements. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated as the dignitaries exit the room.